Alright you guys, welcome back to Darkside. So we got our 07 2500 Ram. It's my truck. So I turned up the power not too long ago. Transmission's hurt. We got metal in the pan. So we're out here. We're going to do a burnout. We bumped it back up to about 550 horse. And we're going to just send it until we bend it. And so see what happens. So watch out. Alright you guys, so we tried to blow up the transmission. It didn't work, it's still alive. Tire's bald. Transmission still works. For some reason. Open differential. Right one spins far more even when power braking and trying to transfer the power to the left side. Freaking pain. It's gonna be time for an upgrade. So yeah, guess we're not gonna blow it up before we tear it down.